My new truck is at 30,000 miles, and I know it says to run it until the light comes on. It also says to, if it doesn't come on, do it at like 10,000 miles. I have the means, so I'm going to change it now at 3,000 miles. So if you want to watch me change the oil and filter on a 2018 F150 with a 5-liter, stick around. So in order to change the oil in the 2018, it takes 520 Motorcraft synthetic blend. It takes 8.8 quarts. I have 5 here and I have another 5 in the back. You need a filter remover, you need the filter, you need the crescent wrench, and the drain pan. That's all you need. Well, it's the first time I've gotten under here, and the new 10-speed transmission has a composite pan. And look, so does the F150. So my 2013 F150 had a metal pan, and they've gone to composite. So I'm hoping it's strong enough. I know that I'm having an issue with it on my wife's Fusion Sport, so we'll see. But right now I'm just going to drain the oil. So as you can see, it's got the old plastic plug. So I'm going to take that puppy out and we'll go from there. Okay, I think you can see it through there. So here we go. I'm doing it without a tool. It's all hand tightened evidently. Whoever came up with this setup needs a good swift kick in the nuts. There we go. And I just knocked over my father. I guess that's what you get when you use water for oil. Jesus. Sorry you missed most of that, but it's me cussing and saying, holy jeez, I made quite a mess. Luckily I had my safety glasses on. Got a little oil on me. But that stuff is thin as I don't know what. Why is it so thin? Why? If anybody can tell me why Ford has gone to 5W20, I would greatly like to know. I assume it's for fuel mileage, but damn, that shit is like, man, that's some thin stuff. I got oil on my glasses, probably got it in my hair too, but man, that stuff is thin. And I got it on my Canon G7X. Bam. So anyways, we'll continue on. The oil filter comes off the front of the motor right there. I'm gonna try and get it from down here, but because I'm too short to just reach over. But anyways, you can see it. I'm gonna put that filter wrench on it and we'll go from there. Hey, it's more water. I mean oil. So as you can see, it drains out back there when you take the filter off, which is kind of forward to put the hole there to let it drain through. I'm going to use some of this oil to lube up the O-ring on my old, or the new filter, so that you get a good seal. So there we go. It's probably not that dirty, but you know, it was just machined, it was just built So I figured it was time to get the stuff out of there. So, you know, right, wrong, or indifferent, it's getting changed at 3,000 miles. So there you go. FL500S. Now, the next trick is just to get it up there and put it on. And it looks like they got idler pulleys on both sides now, which is a good thing. That's a good thing. Unlike the 13. So they got 2 idler pulleys, but no metal oil pan. Yay! We got her on there. All right. All right. So finger tight. And then probably another quarter if I can get it to turn. Because I don't want to use a wrench and crush it all up. There we go. We're turning it some more. All right. So there you have it. Now, I just got to clean up my mess. And now that I see how thin 5W20 is, I would really like to change it to something thicker. But I'm not going to because it's only got 3,000 miles and it's still definitely under Ford warranty. So there will be no backyard engineering on this. Definitely going to put the 520 in it. I'll start showing you that. This is the fill plug right there. The dipstick's on the other side so you can check once you get it all filled. Get my handy dandy old funnel. Get my Motorcraft 5W20. Try not to make too big of a mess, other than underneath where I have already destroyed my driveway. Yeah, so that's one thing you can take away from this, is that this stuff is very watery, as you can tell. I hope that's just for fuel mileage, because it seems sort of ridiculous if you ask me. So look at how fast the 5 quarts goes when it's like water. Check the level on the dipstick. So while that's draining down, come over here. There's the dipstick with the yellow handle. Pull that, wipe it off, and then reinsert to see what the level is. Hopefully it shows up on there. They even got different plugs for the coil packs. So maybe it hasn't drained down there yet, because all right, so I put the other cord in. I'm gonna check it again. Hopefully I'm not over. My luck, I'm gonna look underneath here and it's all like pouring out the non-Titan fill cap, you know, $30 plus of semi-synthetic oil. Okay, we got oil on it now. Nice watery oil. It looks like it's good. So we'll check it again after I drive it a little bit, but there you go. There's the disaster in the driveway. I put some spill fix on it, and I'll rub it in here in a second. I'm gonna soak up some, put some over there too. So there you have it. That's how you change the oil in a filter in a 2018 F150 with a 5-liter. I hope it helps somebody out there. Hope you see that you can do it for a lot less than having the dealer do it, or one of the quick oil change places. Plus, you know, you've done it right if you do it yourself. So I hope this helps. I really appreciate all the support that I get from everybody. So please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Please comment below if you have any questions. And if you really liked it, please subscribe. So have a great day, and thanks for watching.